beginning, there are materials, raw, varied, diverse. Then come transformations and associations that are increasingly bold and precise. In the beginning, there are women and men everywhere in the world.
Engineers, technicians, and workers who develop, design, and calculate, while others test, analyze, and improve. And still others manufacture, inspect, assemble, and deliver. All in a team, all committed to ensuring the highest quality.
Women and men with common values,
who build with their partners and their customers and join their expertise to invent the future.
a future that is built each day with all high-quality products supplied by us.
Digital plants that have robots, artificial intelligence, and automated lines keep improving the production effective and product performance.
We want to be the leaders.
Our global marketing team focuses on industrial connections.
当我们付上全部的热情和激情，我们可以驱动整个未来。
Weitai will be everywhere.
Tomorrow's world should always be imagined ahead of time, never stop inventing, reinventing ourselves, with always more benefits for our customers and users.
Environmental compliance, security, reliability, trust.
Whether on the ground or in the air, from the material's first molecule to the final assembly, every detail counts. In the beginning, there was a great dream to build a better world. Today, there's Weitai, a company that provides masterpieces to accelerate development of all walks of life. An imaginative and passionate company.
We create the future.
We create the future.